How do you see the role of NBFCs evolving in India's financial ecosystem over the next 5 years, especially in comparison to traditional banks?
So I think NBFC is clearly, in our view, if you kind of step back and look at the broader landscape, right? I mean, I think India is clearly headed towards becoming a $5 trillion economy in the near term, and probably a $10 trillion economy in the next within the next decade. And for that to happen, we do have to see credit penetration happening at a very sustained level. I mean, our credit to GDP ratio today is much lower than some of the global economies. So clearly, we believe NBFCs will have to play a pivotal role if we are looking at credit penetration going through, and primarily because they help provide access to the last mile. And today, if you look at the NBFC gamut, it includes the not only the housing finance companies, which are obviously one of the largest constituent, but the affordable housing, which is again providing access to the last mile, but also the personal loans and the MSME, which has again become one of the strong, supports of the economy. So, which is why in our view, NBFC remain the cornerstone. The key is really ensuring that they are ticking the right boxes in terms of having risk management, having the right access to liabilities. But given the TAM and the growth, we believe they will strongly remain a very strong complement to the banks.
A few words about Team Marksman and your experience at the event.
So today, I think event was very insightful, and hopefully, I think we were able to provide them some perspective on the NBFC outlook. And again, I think Team Marksman has done a good job.